Move on to the next level of competition in no particular order.
Top 10.
First. Una ka na.
Top 10. Top 10.
Welcome to Top 10 candidate number.
Pasok yan.
Candidate number 4, Teresa May Calascusa.
Siyempre, pasok yan. Daming award eh.
Forward.
Number 7.
Candidate number 7.
You are moving on to the next round.
Go, kaya
Candidate number 8, King.
sabi na nga ba eh. Maganda rin yan eh, oh. Rin yan.
Entering the top 10. Congratulations to candidate number 3, Smokey Padaligo.
Pasok siya oh. Galing. Magaling rin mag-project.
Your tonight's journey continues. Please step forward. Candidate number 11, Michelle Dalupa.
Si ano, yung kawig ni Bea.
Our next finalist, please step forward. Candidate number 15, Vanessa Grace Torrecampo. Claiming another spot for the top 10. Please move forward. Candidate number 13, Michelle Taher.
Ganda rin ang gown niya, oh.
Joining the top 10 finalists. Congratulations to candidate number 16, Zaira May Joy De La Torre.
You are one step closer to the crowd.
Ayun, yung number.
Candidate number 10, Gary Caramba.
Pasok talaga yan, best in talent yan.
One spot remaining for the top 10.
Ay, yun ba kayo naka-pink yan?
We'll be moving forward.
O kaya yung orange.
Candidate number
Pink or
12,
orange?
Joy Angela
Yun nga.
Francisco.
Hindi nakapasok yun sa.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our top 10 finalists of Ginang Dasmariñas 2024.
To the ladies who did not make it to the top 10, congratulations as well. Thank you very much. See you guys around.